Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these awesome straight edges and to eliminate the dreaded gap in crochet. So, you guys, typically when you change rows in a project, you chain up 2 or you chain up 3 in order to get the right height on your stitches. But today I'm going to show you guys how to get that turning chain without putting all those gaps in your project. So I did I did 3 rows of this method, and then I came up here and did the standard chaining method for a turning row or a turning chain, and I have to say I've fallen out of love with the turning chain. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this really quickly. So what you want to do is, when you complete your row of stitches or whatever pattern that you're following, you can just not do anything and turn your work, okay? And what we're going to do then, after turning our work, we're going to place our hook into that stitch that we just made. And we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So a single crochet, which is at first glance, okay, sure, Infiniti, what are you going to show me next? So I'm already zoomed in. So what I want to do here is insert my hook into this little diagonal bar right here, just like that. And I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So I have 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. And so this is known as the alternative turning chain. I love it because, 1, it does eliminate this little ugly gap over here, but 2, if you notice it, it looks like a sideways single crochet. So what that means when you get done with your project is that you have an easier way of putting a border around it as opposed to trying to work into that chain 3 space. So I'm going to go ahead and let that be sufficient, and you can use this alternative turning chain in any number of heights. Down here I used it in increments of 3, but if you're working like a half double crochet, yeah, you can use it at the step 2 height. So I'm just going to go ahead and work half double crochets across this row because I want to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so I'm back and I'm right here about to make my last half double crochet. So, if you've made anything with the border on it, you have to go into that stitch a couple times. So I'm going to do that. And 3 to make my little corner here. Okay, so now that I've made my little corner here, now I have to go about working into this gaping chain 3 space, which I don't know about you guys, but I get tired of that look. And so usually I end up working about 2 stitches into those, depending on, the project. But it leaves this hole here, which is sad. Then I work into the little odd space right here, or normally I would. But because you have, I'm going to go ahead and work into it. Because you have this little sideways guy here from the alternative turning chain, you can slip your hook in there like it's a regular stitch and work it that way. So like straight through the middle and work that half double crochet and boom. Look at how easy that is, and it blends in. Just gonna keep working those. Want to be careful with your tension with these though. gotta say. Okay. And this last little turning corner here. I'm going to make one more just to anchor this down. I'm going to pull up a loop. So, basically, you can go from having this guy right here, hope you guys can see this, with this hole, to this down here with like nothing at all, which makes this is like perfect for blankets and scarves and things like that, where you don't want those holes there, or just to make an even edge to your project. So I hope today's tutorial was indeed helpful. If so, leave me a comment down below, thumbs up, let me know how I did. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on weekly content. Until next time, guys, happy making.